In this video, I'm going to review the DJI Mini 2 SE. If you're thinking about buying it, here are a couple of points to keep in mind. First off, let's talk about its size. This little guy weighs in at under 249 grams. That means it's super portable and you can easily take it anywhere. Perfect for those spontaneous adventure shots. Now, onto the camera. The Mini 2 SE shoots in QHD, which means you're getting crisp 2.7K video. The footage is just beautiful. Great colors, sharp details. Plus, it has a 3-axis gimbal for stabilization, so even when it's a bit windy, your videos will still come out smooth. Speaking of wind, this drone can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, so it's pretty sturdy. And with a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, you can fly it far and wide without losing connection. Perfect for those stunning panoramic shots. The battery life is impressive too. You get up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery, and the Fly More combo comes with 3 changeable batteries, so you can shoot for longer without having to worry about recharging. Now, one of my favorite features has to be the QuickShots. These are pre-programmed flight modes that let you capture cinematic shots with just a few taps. Whether it's a droney, a rocket, or a circle shot, it's all super easy and looks professional. And let's not forget about safety. The Mini 2 SE has an automatic return to home feature. So if your battery gets low or you lose signal, it'll fly back to its takeoff point on its own. Pretty cool, right? The remote connects to your phone with a cable and you get the footage from the flight directly on your phone. This is my first drone and I absolutely love it. If you're looking for a portable drone that shoots high definition video and that you can easily take with you anywhere, this is the one.